Today we are going to study lecture number 10th, mutation. What is mutation? How mutation occurs in any individual plant or animal. So mutation is a sudden and heritable change in the phenotype of an individual. Mutation is a sudden and heritable change in the phenotype of an individual. Any plant and any animal may undergo mutation. Mutation is a permanent change. When any plant or animal undergoes mutation in a certain character, in any character, then these changes come in the progeny, or it will come in the individual plant, and thereafter next generation of that plant or animal will have the character according to that individual. Will have next generations, all generations will have the character, will have the change in character according to the mutation. So mutation is a permanent change. Heritable means these changes will go from one generation to several next generations. Means it is a permanent change, and it will, this mutation or change in character, in any character, change in any gene will go from one generation to several next generations. So change is permanent, change is heritable, and these changes we can see, or we can observe, or we can feel these changes. So these changes are observed, and we can see or we can recognize these changes. So these changes are change in the phenotype of an individual. Phenotype means changes which we can observe or recognize. These changes which are recognized are changes in phenotype. Phenotype means observations which we can do or we can recognize is called phenotype, or observations of an individual which are observed or recognized is a phenotype of an individual. Genotype of an individual means genes or alleles which are written or which are expressed in terms of genes and alleles. An individual which is expressed in terms of genes and alleles is called as genotype of an individual. Means all the characters of an individual are written or observed or written in terms of genes and alleles is called genotype of an individual. Means individual which is tall is written in terms of genes or alleles TT. It means individual is tall, and this is TT are the alleles of the individual. So it is genotype of an individual. When an individual is dwarf in height, then alleles are written as small t means individual is shown in terms of alleles and genes. So this is a genotype of an individual. tall is the phenotype, means how individual is expressed, means height of the individual is tall and we can observe with our eyes. So how that individual is expressed or observed by human being is called as phenotype of an individual. So difference between phenotype and genotype. So when an individual suddenly changes its character, and that character which is changed is observed by us, then it is called as mutation. And this character, change in character, is repeatedly heritable from one generation to another generation. So this is a mutation. Define mutation. Mutation is a sudden, permanent change, heritable change in the phenotype of an individual. So in 1791, scientist Wright observed mutation for first time in male lamb. He observed that his legs are short legs. So short legs he observed in male lamb. This type of mutation he observed in 1791. Then several scientists observed mutations or change in character in so many living organisms. So how mutation works, how mutation comes in an individual, how it works, how this mutation is transferred from one generation to another generation, and what is mutation. Mutation is a permanent, sudden change in the character of an individual, or which we can see that the phenotype of an individual is suddenly changed, and this change is heritable. This change goes permanently from one generation to another generation. So what are the characters of mutation? What are the features of mutation? How mutation works? So there are several characters or features of mutation. First is nature of change. How change in individual occurs due to mutation. A mutation is a permanent and sudden heritable change in phenotype of an individual. Means some character of an individual which we observe are changed, and that change is permanent. It will repeatedly or permanently change their characters. So this is a mutation. This mutation occurs due to the change in the sequence of nucleotides or bases in DNA, or alteration of sequence of bases, or alteration of number of bases or nucleotides in the DNA molecule. These mutations naturally come spontaneously in any individual, in any generation. So naturally, spontaneously, mutation occurs. These mutations which are occurred naturally and spontaneously are in very rare cases, means frequency of mutation is very low. In thousands of individual, 10,000s of individual, several individuals, in several individuals mutation may occur naturally. So frequency, second character is frequency of mutation, means rate in several out of thousands of individuals, only few individuals are there in which mutation occurs naturally and spontaneously. So very less percentage of individuals are there in which mutation occurs, and these mutations will carry from one generation to another generation thereafter. These naturally spontaneous mutations are in very less percentage, but we can enhance the rate of mutation. We can increase the frequency rate of mutation in any gene of a character, in any gene of a character, by using some physical and chemical mutagens. In library, we can enhance the mutation by using physical and chemical mutagens in a gene of any character. So frequency of a gene mutation we can change by using physical and chemical mutations. But naturally, mutation in any gene is very less. Frequency of any gene mutation is very less. So, frequency of mutation in any gene can be calculated by using a formula. We can observe any generation which is grown in the fields, and we can calculate the normal plants, and we can calculate normal plants, we can calculate plants which are in which mutation has come. Then we can calculate the mutation rate by the formula plants which are having mutation character, which are having change in character, divided by plants which are having mutation as well as normal plants, divided by normal plants. So this is a formula. Total plants means normal plants as well as plants having mutation. These total plants, out of which how many plants are having a change in character or having mutation. So plants which are having change in character or which are having mutation are divided by total number of plants in the field. In this way, we can calculate how many mutation plants are there out of how total plants are in the field. So, percentage or frequency or rate of mutation can be calculated for gene of any character. Then, third characteristics features of mutation is mutation rate. Mutation rate. Third character is mutation rate. Mutation rate of different genes in the chromosome is different. Means some genes will have mutation easily. Means it will support the mutation. So some genes will have mutation. Some genes does not undergo mutation. So genes which undergoes mutation frequently is called mutable gene. Mutable gene means it will support the mutation or it will undergoes the mutation frequently. So it is called as mutable gene. Some genes are there which will support the other gene of other character in mutation. So it will support the mutation of other gene of other character. These genes are called as mutator genes. Means they will support the mutation in gene of other character. So they are mutator genes. Then there are anti-mutator genes. Means they will not allow the mutation in other genes. They will not allow mutation to take place in other genes. So they are called as anti-mutator genes. So genes means this character is the rate of mutation varies from gene to gene. Means all genes have different rate of mutation. All genes have different rate of mutations. So some are mutable genes, some are mutator genes, and some are anti-mutator genes. Then fourth character is direction of change due to mutation. Direction of change due to mutation. So mutation always occur in definite direction. Always mutation occur from dominant to recessive gene. Dominant gene will change into recessive gene. So dominant character of an individual changes into recessive character. So change of direction is from dominant gene to recessive gene, or dominant character will change into recessive character. So direction of change due to mutation is from dominant character to recessive character. Then character number 5, effect of mutation. Effect of mutation. When mutation occurs in an individual, mutation will occur in harmful, mutation will change the character into harmful character. Means mutation gives a harmful character A change in character will be harmful always. In some rare cases, change of character may be from harmful to useful. Our gene character may change in useful direction to human beings. When mutation occurs, gene character will change into harmful character for humans always. But in rare cases, gene character, change in gene character will be useful to the human beings. So effect of mutation is always harmful to human beings, but in rare cases, effect due to mutation is useful to human beings. Then sixth character is site of mutation. Site of mutation. There are several sites of mutation on gene. These sites are called as muton. There are 500 to thousands of sites on a single gene which are called as muton. These are mutational sites. Some sites of mutation have more rate of mutation or they are highly mutable. These sites are called as hotspots. They are highly mutable, means mutation occurs many times and rate of mutation is more in these sites, and these are called as highly mutable sites are called as hotspots. So site of mutation on the gene is called muton, and highly mutable sites are called as hotspots. Then character number 7, type of event. So mutation is a random event. Mutation may occur in somatic cell or in reproductive cell. Mutation may occur in somatic cell or reproductive cell. Then mutation may occur in nuclear gene or in cytoplasmic gene. Mutation may occur in nuclear gene or in cytoplasmic gene. Mutation may occur in somatic cell or reproductive cell, and mutation may occur in any stage of the individual, in any stage of life of an individual. So mutation may occur in any stage of development or life of an individual. Then character 8,